Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Technical Rudra. So today we will learn how to upload files on mega.io. So yes guys, today we will learn mega.io. So now we will insert our intro. Ready for this? Ready. So first you have to create account to upload files on Mega. So first you need to create account. You have to click on create account and here it is. So you have to type here your password, means your name, your first name, your last name, your email from which your this all data will be associated, and a password, a very strong password. So as you can see guys, our account has successfully been created. Now you have to go on your Gmail. I will go on my Gmail. Here is the Mega verification code and click on verify my email. Click on verify my email. As you can see, previous, and here it will be verified. Now I will enter my password here. Now I will confirm my account. Public private key creation. It's generating a key so that if anything goes wrong, I can just take this key. So I have cancelled for now. It's saying to upgrade to pro account, but we will not upgrade. So now get started for free. Scroll down and click on get started for free. If you I will download the app because I need to use it there every time. So I will download the app. Okay, so it will be downloaded. I will set up it later or in front of you only. Take to my cloud and it will take to my cloud. So here it is. So here I have the key here. So here is the key. And I'll click on OK. Accept. So as you can see, here it is. I know. So now to upload in it, you need to click on file upload. Click on this file upload and I will upload this only, Mega Sync setup only. Now as you can see, my file is being uploaded. Till then I will show you how to set up this. Click on run, click on yes, click on OK, click on next, click on I agree. Installing just for me, and here leave it as Mega Sync only, and now install. So here it will be installed. Here it will install. So as you can see, it has been installed successfully. Till then this is also here. So I will show you the app. I will log in it here. So as you can see, I have successfully entered my email here and then the password also. And then click on login. So it will log in me here. And as you can see in the background, this has also completed successfully. As you can see, I have created this, and I will keep this aside for some time. So as you can see, I have got this. Now I will click on this 3 dots, and then you have to click on 3 dots, and then on get link. So here it is. I agree, and here it is. So expired it only. No, I don't need to expire it. So it's the lifetime fee. So I will click on copy. One link was copied to your clipboard. Click on done, and I will open a new tab to show you. So this was the link which I copied. And as you can see, I've got that link. I'll download it. So wait a second. I have already downloaded. That's why it's now beside when it's downloading, I will tell you this thing. So this is the full sync, selective sync. I'll skip this whole thing. So Mega Sync is now running in your Steam. What is it? Yeah. So this will be the local download folder. I'll not choose this. I will choose another folder. So I'll go on F drive, all files, Mega Sync. As you can see, I've got Mega Sync folder and I will select it. So it will download all my files with this. Always download to this distribution and click on OK. Click on OK. Okay. And then I will just reload this page. It has been corrupted because I was setting up that. So now I will click on download. The download has started. I have got the notification. I'll just open this for you. So as you can see here, it is downloading. You can see successfully it is installed, and I will click on show in folder. As you can see, I have got this file in this folder. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.